Hey lovelies, it's Ebony and I'm back with another video for you. I'm going to jump right in here and start with the other side of my hair, but first let me show you what I've already done. This is what my hair looks like with all the product applied. I just thought I'd show you that really quick so that I can go ahead and get started on the other side so you aren't too bored watching this video. So anyways, I'm going to start with adding some leave-in conditioner to the other side of my hair before I get started. I love using leave-in conditioner before applying any product in my hair because I just need my hair to feel moisturized days after I've done my wash and go. I really think it's a huge disservice if you don't put some type of leave-in in your hair before putting the styling product in. Now the first styling product I'm going to use is the Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activating Cream. I love this product because it's super thick and also another moisturizing product. It also really helps to define my curls. And now it's time for the star of this video, the EcoStyler Gel Olive Oil Edition that has a fancy new top opening. Just ignore that cream on top. I like to put that there for easy access. And yes, I'm just going to go ahead and apply the gel to each section. As you can see, I like to use very small sections because the longer my hair gets, the harder it is to get it to do what I really want it to do. So while it takes a long time to apply products to my hair, it definitely pays off in the end, especially with EcoStyler gel. I know in previous videos I have publicly denounced using this gel for my wash and goes because I felt like it was tearing my hair out, you know, once it was time to detangle and wash my hair again. But I have a new plan. What I'm going to do instead is just wash my hair sooner. I think one of the biggest mistakes I was making before was waiting, you know, past 7 days to wash my hair, and it just made my hair that much more tangled, and the gel, you know, just it didn't really help the situation either. So that's my new plan now. I'm hoping it's going to work. This is the second time this week I've done my hair, and I'm happy to say that it seems to be working so far. So yeah, and I know that there's another EcoStyler gel available now, but I'm not really in a hurry to try that one because the last time I tried a new EcoStyler gel, it really did nothing for my hair. It was a huge waste of time. So maybe eventually if I come across it, I'll pick it up and try it out for you guys. But until then, I'm going to use Old Faithful, my olive oil EcoStyler gel. Now that it's time to diffuse, I just want to make sure I point out this one last thing. If you guys notice, whenever I would diffuse my wash and goes, I would always flip my hair over. You see how I have that side part on the right side of my head? Well, normally I would just flip everything over to the opposite side and diffuse that way so that I could create huge volume for the opposite side of my hair. Well, now I've decided to just leave all that hair on the side that I initially parted it on, because my hair was getting really frizzy, and I think it was because I was diffusing the same spot for so long. So yeah, now I'm much happier with this new way of diffusing my hair and just keeping the hair that was parted. I hope this is making sense. Keep the hair on the side that it was initially parted for. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you haven't tried EcoStyler gel in a while, go ahead and try it. Just don't keep it in your head forever like I used to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and as always, thanks for watching.